Ever wondered how a regular teenager turned into a philanthropic YouTube sensation, known the world over as MrBeast? Well, look no further, as we unravel the extraordinary journey of this internet titan. First, let's get to know the man behind the moniker. Born as Jimmy Donaldson on May 7, 1998, our hero hails from Greenville, North Carolina. He grew up like any other kid, but little did he know, his destiny was anything but ordinary. Jimmy began his YouTube journey at the tender age of 13 in 2011. His first uploads were simple, far from the extravagant philanthropic stunts he's famous for today. They were game walkthroughs, Minecraft videos, and estimates of YouTubers' wealth. A pivotal moment came in 2017 when he uploaded a video of himself counting to 100,000. Yes, you heard right. This marathon session lasted over 40 hours, and that's when the world started to take notice. In 2018, MrBeast made a significant leap. He began his philanthropic endeavors, donating thousands of dollars to unsuspecting Twitch streamers. This act of generosity was not a one-time deal. It became a recurring theme in his content, earning him the nickname YouTube's biggest philanthropist. Now let's move on to some surprising facts about MrBeast. Firstly, did you know that he dropped out of college to pursue his YouTube career? That's right. He left college just after 2 weeks, as he believed education was not his path to success. Secondly, he has a brother who also has a YouTube channel. His brother, CJ Donaldson, runs the channel MrBro, where he replicates some of MrBeast's popular challenges. Thirdly, MrBeast has a condition called Crohn's disease, an inflammatory bowel disease. He's been living with it since his teens, yet he doesn't let this slow him down and continues to create heartwarming content that brings joy to millions. Fourthly, he is a Guinness World Record holder. He holds the record for the largest donation to a homeless shelter, donating a whopping $300,000 in 2019. Lastly, MrBeast is a beast when it comes to creating viral content. His videos have garnered over 12 billion views, and he has over 60 million subscribers on YouTube. From a regular teenager to a YouTube sensation, MrBeast's journey is truly inspiring. His story teaches us that with passion, hard work, and a generous heart, anyone can make a significant impact in the world. So the next time you watch a MrBeast video, remember you're not just watching a content creator, but a philanthropist, a world record holder, and a true internet icon. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.